Lily's so happy today. She gets to wander around the boat freely, sniff all the air. She's one happy puppy right now. Josh thinks that's a garbage scooper. Having a little rain shower right now, which is great because it means the boat is getting a little washed.
John for this afternoon, either or.
This
Raj.
This radio channel
Coming up on the tunnel, Carrie.
never stops. All day long. It's a leaky bimney roof. Slow progress today, right?
Yeah.
Where are we, Captain?
Boca Raton.
Boca Raton?
Boca Raton.
Huh.
Ever heard of Boca Raton?
No. It's very pink looking. Because it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Probably in England or possibly a little further east in Europe.
Somewhere in there.
Cheers!
Cheers.
He deserves that. He's been driving all day and letting me video stuff, and I'm currently working on my video editing, which is awesome. I don't think he trusts me with bridges, which is fine by me.
We'll get you there.
Yeah. But he's doing a stellar job, so I said maybe it's time for a beer for him. Had to wait almost full half hour for this stupid bridge. This lady has serious attitude. Kind of grumpy. We're trying really hard to make a bridge opening right now, the 5 PM opening. It's not quite open yet, but we've also got a little ways to go still, so fingers crossed we make it. Josh really fancies this catamaran. I think it's a little masculine personally, but probably wouldn't say no if it was given to me. The very masculine looking catamaran over there, he thinks is a gunboat, which is very nice, make a boat. And then he said it was like driving around a penis.
Very fast.
A very fast penis.
Today we are going to go outside from Lake Worth, Fort Pierce. We're just heading up to the Lake Worth Inlet right now.
Or just hiding in the engine room as usual. Sailing is absolutely glorious today. We are flying along around 9 knots under sail. Got one reef in the main, jibs out. We're supposed to have 2 to 4 foot seas, and it's definitely mostly 4 foot with the occasional 5 or 6 footer in there. The boat's handling it really well. Yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful out there. I'm loving it. Flying along, sun's out, beautiful winds. I think we've got wind speeds of around 15, 16, 17 knots on average. Yeah, it's perfect. How are you doggies doing? You okay, Miss Lily?
Something good to finally happen. And though your mind is far away, and you're building trenches around your home, such an easy road to take, with such a heavy load to carry. And though it never seems to break, you're walking on a thin line all the way. Ooh, I'm in the fallback, baby. You are safe when I'm a mess, but I am cold and stormy weather, and maybe you just need to love me less. You're in the middle of the desert, and the sun is in your eyes. You're longing for the open water, but you better take your time.
What's going on, Captain?
We are just doing some planning for the rest of the trip. Trying to figure out what we're going to do for Georgia, which we have to do in about 3 days. Cruise on up to somewhere around Savannah. And then at some point I have to fly to San Diego for a brief trip and figure out when that's going to happen and where that's going to happen from as well. Just trying to figure out how far everything is from each other, how many miles, where we might be at certain dates, that sort of stuff.
Porter's in his favourite position at Daddy's feet. This little weirdo's having a snooze. We just discovered that she won't go into either of the holes. We tried to feed her down in our master hole earlier this evening, and she wouldn't go there. She decided she'd rather go hungry than eat in a hole, which is really weird. I don't know if it's the steps or if she's claustrophobic or something. There's 2 places in our house at home that she also won't go into. She won't go into our closet and she won't go into our bathroom. So maybe it's small spaces she doesn't like. Anyway, she's a weird little dog, but very cute. What's cooking?
Some sauteed radicchio, red beans and rice, and some jerk chicken.
Yummy!